Exercise number 5. Calculate area of a circle using Python function. Use the returned value of area to find volume of a cylinder by defining another Python function. Hi, first of all I shall import Python built-in math module. It would enable us to use pi in the formula for calculating area of circle. To define any function in Python, we use def keyword. I have chosen area as name of my function. The input command will ask the user to enter radius of circle. Since input command takes the input as string, we need to convert it to float. I can convert it to integer. But since you can expect radius values in decimal, float is a preferable choice. Write formula to calculate area of circle, which is pi r square. Here, I have round off the result to 2 decimals. The return command will return the value of area. We use return instead of print command if we plan to use this value in some other function or in tkinter as command for some button. As second part of our exercise, need to define function for calculating volume of cylinder. I have used volume as name of the function. We would require a third dimension that is length to calculate volume. Again, we would require user to provide input for length of cylinder in float format. The volume of cylinder is calculated by multiplying the area calculated using area function with length. Instead of returning value of volume, I would use print command to print the result. Let's call area function to calculate area of circle. I have used print command as well to print the output. It asks user to enter radius. The area of circle is accordingly calculated. Secondly, call volume function without print command. You know that we have already provided it in our function. Provide value for length and radius. Please note that it has asked the user for inputting radius also, since we had called the area function within volume function. The volume of cylinder is printed.